Today, on the Roadside Gourmet, we are making backyard shrimp scampi in 10 minutes. Let's go. This is all you're gonna need to make this beautiful shrimp scampi. We're gonna get a pot of boiling water going, salt it up, and add in our pasta. As the bottoms of the pasta start to soften, give them a twist, get it all in that pot, and we'll throw the lid on. Let's get rolling on the main part of the scampi. A little bit of oil in a pan, a couple of tablespoons of butter. We got this pan nice and hot. Gonna want to brown that butter a little bit. In goes our onion. Nice healthy amount of garlic. Now we're just going to caramelize. Gonna season with pepper, a little bit of salt. In go our shrimp. Look at that beautiful color. Just keep turning it around. Just turning that temperature down a little bit. In goes the juice of a lemon. Now I'm going to put it through my hand here just so I can catch any seeds. Just keep that moving. Add in a little bit more butter. Now we're going to add in a few ounces of white wine. Gonna add in some chili peppers. If you want it hotter, add more. Give it a stir about. Want to keep that moving. Add in a nice mitt full of Parmesan cheese. Keep that stirring around. Now, if you like what we're doing here, please hit that like button, hit the little bell so you know when we've put up a new video, and please share it with everybody you've ever met. Now that sauce is thickened, let's get our fettuccine in there. And just toss it around. We're going to bring the temperature up a little bit. Absolutely stunning. Gonna add in some fresh parsley. Give her another mix about. Now you can see that sauce is really thickened up. So now would probably be a good time to add a little bit of water from the pasta bowl. And there you have it. The Roadside Gourmet's backyard shrimp scampi in 10 minutes. For the full recipe, go to www.roadsidegourmet.ca.